Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let's take the next paragraph of this lesson, Long Walk to Freedom. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifice of thousands of my people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them, and that they were not able to see what their sacrifice had wrought. Dear students, here you must know that day had come about. That day refers the day 10th May 1994, when the first democratic non-racial government was formed. Nelson Mandela said that day had come about by the unimaginable sacrifices, by the great sacrifices that were given by the people of his country for this nation. And it was the courage of his people that they had shown at the time of fighting. It was suffering of his people that they had borne at the time of fighting. And this courage of people and suffering can never be counted or repaid. Repaid means compensated, or we can say payback. Nelson Mandela felt that day, as he had on so many other days, that he was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him. Here, African patriots refers those who had laid down their lives for this nation. So he called himself the sum of all those African patriots. That long and noble line ended. How it ended? Dear students, when those patriots who had sacrificed their lives for this nation, now they were no more. That is why the noble line ended. And it began again with him. Means Nelson Mandela, he led this. I was pained that I was not able to thank them, and that they were not able to see what their sacrifice had wrought. Nelson Mandela wished to thank them on the day of inauguration, but they were no more. That is why he was deeply shocked. He was deeply shocked that they were not able to see the results of their sacrifices that they had achieved. The policy of apartheid created deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of profound oppression and brutality had another unintended deep and strong effect, and that was what produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Sislers, the Chief Lutless, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Subcus of our time, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Perhaps it requires such depths of oppression to create such heights of character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the pure diamonds. The policy of apartheid. It was a political system which was built by the whites in this country. They discriminated, they segregated the blacks through this system. That is why it has created deep and lasting wound in his country and his people. Nelson Mandela said they would take many years to recover from that profound hurt which was caused by the oppression and brutality of the whites, and they had underwent the decades of oppression and brutality of whites. And Nelson Mandela said the oppression and brutality of whites had another good and strong effect. That is why great leaders were produced in this nation. and he called them the great heroes of this nation. And Nelson Mandela said that to create such heights of character, here he refers to those great leaders which were produced by the operation and brutality of whites. Such operations are required for that, to create such leaders. And he also compared the people of his nation with the minerals, with the gems that are in abundance found in his country. But he said that the real diamonds, the real gems are the people of his nation. They are the greatest wealth of this nation. Dear students, yath manz chh vanan ye that day chh vanan tath dohas yele hasa yimo ye wuch ye doh men nasibas go ye kith pat se go nasibas ye kus doh us ye was su doh 10th May 1994 yele first democratic government non-racial government bane so kith pat bane se bane yus luko wariya qurbani dis तो इस तमो सह हिम्मत हो लड़नस दौरान तुम तकलीफ तो लड़नस दौरान नेल्सन मंडेला वाज सह हेकोन अस कंपनसेट करित कि तिहन सह करेज तिहन सह तकलीफ तिहन सह हिम्मत हेकोन अस कंपनसेट करित कि पन्नस अत स्पीचेस दौरान इनाग्रेशंस दौरान वनान सह तम अफ्रीका लोग यमो से कुर्बानी दिस तम नसन याद दुनिया मज कह यह तिहज तम कुर्बानी याद करान मगर तम कोर अफसोस तम नसन वनकस मौजूद कह बह कर तिमन शुक्रिया अदा अम चीजुक अम कोर अत चीज पे अफसोस कि तम हेक यह चीज वचित कह तिहजो इस कुर्बानियों सत कुछ चीज गो हासिल सह हेक तमो वचित कह बे वोन नेल्सन मंडेला वनान कि यमो सफेद लूक ये पे हुक्मरानी करान तमो कोर्मुत सह सिस्टम कायम तथ वनान एपर्थीड मीनस गो नस्ली इम्तियाज यम सत तम कायम कोर्मुत क्रीम लूक तमन तम पन ख्यालात हंद इजहार कर मौका दिवान कह तो तम इहंदिस जुल्मस तहत वारियास टाइमस नेल्सन मंडेला वनान अम जुल्म सत गो ब्या चीज पोद कि अत ग्रेट बड़ बार लीडर तम गई सपदे अम सत पोद इन जुल्म सत तिमन मज आस बज क्वालिटीज मौजूद तिमन लीडरन मज तिमन मज कोरेज तिमन मज विजडम कोरेज गई हिम्मत ब्रेवरी विजडम मीनस सगैसिटी जनरसिटी मीनस गई काइंडनेस यम बज क्वालिटीज तिमन मज आस मौजूद नेल्सन मंडेला वनान कि सैनिस मुल्कस मज वारियास तादादस मज मिनरल्स मादनियात हीरे जवाहरात मौजूद मगर ये इन मुकाबल करान पन लूकन अथ सत दपान मेन लुक हसा वनान मादनियात जवाहरात मेन लुक ही हसा बड़ बार हीर निम मुल्क खतर बड़ बार दौलत अगर मुल्क खतर तम मेन लूक थैंक यू